Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your PlayStation account on your mobile device through PS app. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for PlayStation app just like that, and simply go ahead and download and install the application that is gonna pop up right over here. So let me just wait for it a little bit. There you go. Now simply once it is downloaded and installed, simply tap on open. Now in order for you to go ahead and log in, just tap on sign in, and it's going to take you to this page right over here. Let it load for a bit, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email, enter your password, and you'll be logged in into your PlayStation account on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you